accuracy on LuxAlgo's premium indicator. In this video, you will take your trading to the next level. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. In my screen you are seeing our main indicator, which is called price action concepts. I really like this indicator because it gives me a flexibility of controlling all the price action with just one indicator, and in this video you will learn how you can do that also. Make sure you follow up until the end of the video because this video has a lot of hidden gems. Dive into the price action concept settings here, click the settings button, make your internal to 5, make your swing to 50 and enable all of these guys and show loss to 5, internal buy sell activity, show breakers, very important. I have changed this color. If you want you can do the same to see it more clearly, obviously, and the length is 5 and mitigation method is close, then the time frame is chart, show metrics and copy all that stuff. And this part is very important: trend lines, patterns, equal highs and lows on the short term, liquidity grabs, the fair value gap of course, and again please copy all of this, and the premium discount zone is enabled, and this time highs and lows, enable all of this. These are crazy things. It's very useful and you will understand why in the next step of the video. If you done that, hit OK and let's dive into chart. We are trading Nasdaq on 1 minute time frame. Let's dive into chart to see what's going on here. We see the internal buy sell activity here, we see the discount zone, we see the previous day high. This is one of my favorite features in the price action concepts because without changing your time frame you can see this is a previous day high, and if you zoom out a little bit you can see anything like previous day low or previous week high, the Monday high, all that stuff you can see with just one indicator. These guys are acting as a support and resistance. If you see here, the previous day low act as a support here. It's very obvious, right? You don't need to be a pro trader to understand this. It came here, it bounced from here, then boom, spiked from this place. Then what we see here is the previous day high. It acts as a resistance. You see it, right? The zigzag, zigzag, zigzag again. This feature is very useful. Now let's take a look at the patterns feature and the trend lines feature. So we have this pattern but you don't know the name of it. What is it? If you go to the right top corner you will see that it has detected the pattern for you. It's an ascending wedge, which is a bearish kind of a pattern here. You can see also these trend lines here. These are all auto drawn. How we understand this is, this trend line is bullish, this trend line is bearish. Easy like that. So what we have here more? We have the premium zone, the discount zone, the equilibrium zone. Equilibrium zone means that the exact price between the premium and discount zone. If you take your fib here, you will see that this is the midpoint of the premium and discount zone. Let's take a look at the change of character and break of structure, of course, because those guys are one of my favorite stuff in the whole price action concepts indicator. What are those meaning? We see here a change of character with the plus sign, which means that it's a strong change of character on the bullish side. Why? Because it's a green. Easy like that. After you see the change of character, you will see a break of structure. It's obvious because after the change of character there will be always break of structure if the price goes up. And my second favorite thing in this price action concept, the fair value gap feature. When you see this green box, it means that there is a bullish price activity, there is a bullish price action. This is a bullish fair value gap, which means that the price will go up if we don't close this gap. So after a while this gap didn't close, and guess what happened? The price bracketed to the upside and we see the break of structure and trend line occurred. We write the trend here. Unless price goes below this trend, we are bullish. This is how you can use only the price action concepts indicator. Now I will take signals and overlays to the table to make this chart insanely accurate. Let's go over to indicators tab and type in LuxAlgo and you will see the signals and overlays. Please click that your chart, and after you add the indicator we need to do some couple of adjustments. So click to settings and change your sensitivity to 17 and enable the AI signal classifier. This is very important, and please enable the trend catcher and trend tracer. These guys are my favorite confirmation indicators, and now the setup is ready. As a reminder, we are trading Nasdaq on 1 minute time frame, and let's dive into chart to see how we can combine these crazy guys. We got the 3 classified buy signal from the signals and overlays, and after the bar close we see this a bullish fair value gap, right? We are checking our confirmation indicators here. They are all green now. They are telling that the price will go up. Here, this is very important. This is why we are using price action concepts indicator. We see here a change of character with the plus sign, right? The next thing is we got this previous day high act as a support. The price couldn't go below this zone, and as you can guess, if something can't go down, there is only one way: it will go up. If we take everything together, only thing you need to do is open up your trading platform and take your long position. That's it. That's the only rules you need to follow. If you follow this setup, you will see an insane accuracy. So after you take your long position, you will write your trade until you see an X icon as always on your chart. Because we don't want to close out our position so early. We want more money from this great opportunity here. And the next question will be, where should we put our stop loss? It is very easy. You need to put your stop loss to the recent support line, and guess where is it? It is here. You will put your stop loss to the previous day high. As I said earlier, this setup has a crazy win rate, and you will see after you put it on your chart and try it yourself. What I can suggest is, please trade only on the New York AM or the PM session to get the most efficiency from this indicator setup. But of course you can take this whole trading strategy to Asia session or the London session, maybe even the pre-market or the after hours. But before you do that, please come and test it on the New York AM and the PM session. That was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.